Imagine this for a moment. You hold in your hands the incredible power to program your own life to become the master architect of your destiny. This is not just about getting by or barely scraping through the daily grind anymore. No, this is about thriving, about stepping into a life where you don't just survive but excel, achieve, and manifest every dream you've ever dared to imagine. Picture it clearly in your mind right now. More wealth flowing to you effortlessly. Deeper and more passionate relationships enriching your heart. Vibrant health and boundless energy fueling your days is stronger. Fitter body that reflects your inner power. A beautiful home that serves as your sanctuary and so much more. Every single desire, every goal you hold close to your heart can be programmed into your life like a master coder writing the ultimate blueprint for success. Because here's the truth, your mind is like a powerful computer, and your thoughts are the code that shapes your reality. When you learn to consciously program your thoughts, your beliefs, and your actions, you unleash a force so powerful it can move mountains and create miracles. You have the power to rewrite your story, break free from limitations, and align every part of your life with the vision you hold. This isn't wishful thinking or empty daydreams, it's a practical, proven way to live a life on your own terms, designed by you for you. So ask yourself, what will you choose to program today? What new reality are you ready to create? Now, many of us have been operating on the autopilot of survival mode for so long that we may not realize that the same strategies we've been using to keep going just to survive are the exact same ones we can use to start creating the life we desire. You have the ability to tap into the exact same process, but this time, to thrive in every aspect of your life. All it takes is a change in perspective, a clear focus, and the willingness to trust the process of manifestation. Let's start with visualization, one of the most powerful tools for manifesting. Visualization is not just daydreaming. It's about creating a vivid mental image of what you want. When you visualize something, whether it's a new house, a car, a trip, or a romantic partner, you're sending a clear message to your subconscious mind that this is what you desire. But here's the key. You have to see it clearly. You have to feel it emotionally. And you have to believe it's already yours. It's important to conjure up images of what you want. Imagine a vision board. But you don't need to wait for a poster board to get started. Your mind's eye is the most powerful tool in this process. If you want a luxury car, close your eyes and picture it. See yourself sitting in the driver's seat, feeling the leather, hearing the engine hum. Feel the pride, the excitement, the satisfaction of driving it. It's not just about thinking about it. It's about truly feeling it in every part of your body. Live that moment in your mind. But visualization doesn't stop at mental images. This is where tools like vision boards come in. A vision board is a graphical representation of your desires. It's not just a collage of pictures. It's a powerful visual tool that communicates directly to your subconscious mind. Here's the process. You search for images that resonate with your desires. If it's a Mercedes, find that picture that sparks excitement and you print it. Cut it out and put it on your vision board. If it's a dream house, find an image of it and place that vision board where you'll see it every day. This keeps you constantly connected to your goals, reminding your mind of what you're working towards. The more you look at these images, the more your mind is conditioned to believe that this is what you are attracting into your life. You want your subconscious to keep seeing this goal, hearing about it, and feeling the excitement and gratitude associated with it. The more often you see it, the stronger your belief becomes. Let's talk about the power of repetition. Repetition is the key to lasting change. When you see your vision board, your dreams and goals consistently, your subconscious mind starts to focus on them. Repetition works to condition your mind to believe These goals are achievable and within your reach. Where do you place your vision board? It doesn't have to be just one place. You can place it on your phone, your refrigerator, or your bathroom mirror. Put it on your dashboard or even by your bed. The point is, you want to stumble upon it often, so it becomes part of your daily routine. Repetition fuels belief. Every time you see these images, it's like telling your mind, this is my reality. This is what I'm attracting, and over time, as your mind gets more accustomed to these images, it's easier to believe that these things are coming into your life. Now, here's a major tip. Focus on one goal at a time. It might be tempting to fill your vision board with a million different things: a new car, a dream house, a new relationship, more money. But I've learned from my own experience that laser focus on one goal at a time is much more effective. Why? Because when you focus on one specific goal, you are sending a clear signal to your subconscious mind. It's like aiming a missile at a target. There's no confusion. Your mind can lock onto one thing and work toward it with all its power. When I look back on my biggest successes, it was always because I was focusing on one goal at a time. I wasn't distracted by other things. When I said, this is what I want, I poured all my energy into it and got it. Now, let's shift gears and talk about negative thinking. One of the biggest barriers to success is the negative thoughts that cloud our minds. Did you know that the average person has around 70,000 thoughts a day? And shockingly, the majority of them are negative. People often think things like, I'm not good enough, this isn't going to work for me, or I don't deserve success. These types of thoughts are incredibly limiting and can keep you stuck in a negative loop. But here's the truth. You are not your thoughts. You are separate from the thoughts that run through your mind. Recognizing this is the first step toward taking back control. You don't have to accept the negative thoughts that come into your mind. Instead, you can choose to focus on positive thoughts that align with your goals. This is where affirmations come in. Affirmations are statements that you say to yourself to reprogram your subconscious mind. Instead of thinking, I'm not good enough, you replace that with, I am more than enough. Instead of saying, this will never work for me, you say, this can and will work for me. When you repeat positive affirmations, you begin to shift your thoughts. Your mind begins to align with the thoughts of success and abundance. It becomes easier to believe in your goals, and the more you believe, the faster your desires begin to manifest. Many people live in a state of fear. They fear failure, rejection, or even the idea that they won't be able to achieve their goals. But fear is just a feeling, and it's not real unless you make it real. I want you to start thinking about the things you love. Think about what excites you, what inspires you, what makes you feel alive. Shift your focus from what you fear to what you love. When you focus on what excites you, you build momentum. Your mind gets excited, your emotions shift, and you begin to attract more of what you desire. Here's something fascinating. Your brain has a built-in mechanism called the reticular activating system RAS. The RAS works like your brain's GPS system, helping you focus on things that are important to you. When you think about your goals consistently, your RAS starts to filter out opportunities, people, and situations that are aligned with those goals. Think of your RAS like a magnet. It will attract things that are in harmony with your desires. The more you focus on your goals, the more your brain starts to notice the opportunities that bring those goals closer to you. Once you've set the intention, visualized your goals, and reprogrammed your mind, you'll start to see things fall into place. Manifestation is not about forcing things to happen. It's about letting things flow naturally. You'll start noticing opportunities, people, and events that align with your goals. It won't be an effortful struggle, but more like a magnetic pull towards the things you desire. Stay open, keep focusing, and take inspired action as things start to unfold. So remember, you can manifest the life you want. All you need is to focus on one goal at a time. Reprogram your mind with positive thoughts and affirmations. Use repetition to reinforce your desires, and trust in the process of manifestation. You have everything you need to begin the journey towards your dream life today. Start small, stay consistent, and watch as your reality shifts into something extraordinary. If you're ready to take action and manifest your dreams into reality, subscribe to Win Wisdom. Join me as we dive deeper into the principles of success, abundance, and mindset transformation. Start creating the life you've always dreamed of today. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.